Airplane into a snap roll. Now watch him spinning it down toward the ground. He's at 300 feet. He's at 200 feet. He's at 100 feet. And watch him pull out. Whoa, yes. Now he's got it going. The smoke generator's on the wingtip as he does a very, very quick aileron roll. This guy will show you why he has won those prestigious awards. The Art Show Memorial Award for Showmanship, given at the International Council of Air Shows Convention in Las Vegas, Nevada, every December, and also the Bill Barber Award for Showmanship, given by World Air Show News at the Experimental Aircraft Association Fly-In at Oshkosh, Wisconsin, the last week in July of every year. Doing it like the Barnstormers were doing, over the top at only 300 feet. He's going to bring it all the way around for a beautiful Barnstormers loop. And then he'll do a beautiful barrel roll. That's a very deceptively simple looking maneuver, but it's the idea of the barrel roll is to seeing one of the best right here. Ken Pietsch now brings the nose up, straight up. Goes into a 4-point hesitation roll, stopping the airplane every 90 degrees of roll. He's flying aerobatics like they did after World War I. The average life of a fighter pilot in World War I was between 2 and 3 weeks. Kent, I want you to pull back before you get to the trees. How about right about now? Pull up, please. You should see that when you're doing that with him, the tree seems to get so close it looks like it's kind of swallowing it. Over the top. Another loop, but you can actually, from where I am, you can hear the sound of the wind whistling through the struts that attach that top wing to the bottom of the fuselage for extra support. Not a loud motor at all. Still turning. Watch the propeller. There, the engine's off. The propeller is almost stopped. It's windmilling. Okay, it stopped. I'm going to stand here. I'm not looking at him. I'm going to hold my hand out. This is one of the scariest things I've ever done in my life. Because, no, I can't look. I want to look. Is he close? Yeah. I'm getting a lot of help from my friends with the snowbirds there. Thank you, Eric. Well, oh my gosh, he's almost down. Okay. Thank you, Lyle. Oh, I heard the wheels touch down. No power. I hope I have my hand in the right place. Because if it's not, he's going to climb right over me. He's not? Is he stopped? Oh, I didn't make it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stand here. What's happening? I think I better help. I'm not watching though. This is what they call energy management, isn't it? Come on, Ken! Can you do it? Here we go. I'm not looking. I hear him humming. Don't have a heart attack.
Wait till you guys see these guys.
Oh, got it! Ladies and gentlemen, a nice round of applause for Ken Pietsch.